Hello and welcome to this unboxing of the Ecobloom EcoGarden. We received this one today. It is a Kickstarter which I was hand delivered by the CEO of the company. And today what we're going to do is we're going to unbox it and give you our first impression to this product. And with me today I have my daughter, who will be my assistant, as a bit difficult to film and unbox at the same time, so she will help me. So I think we'll start with a round of the box, so what we have on the box. So on the front of the box here we have the aquarium. It's a little bit damaged, so it's a bit unfortunate, but well, happens in shipping. And if we turn it a little bit, we will see the side. So there will be an app. I saw on Facebook today that the iOS app is out, but I haven't found the Google Play app, so I suppose we have to wait a little bit with the app. And then if we turn it again, we have the back side. So we have some text here, meet the EcoGarden, a picture, and as you can see, it's an aquaponics device. So the fish feed the plants who help clean the water for the fishes. And you can use different kinds of fishes and snails and croutons and herbs. And you can, as a plant, you have herbs, vegetables, different fruits. It has like water pumps and filter and all these things that you would expect in an aquaponics in a small handy format. Yeah, turn it again. And yeah, we couldn't get the label off, but so here are some more text on the box. And yeah, let's get to actually opening it. We're gonna move it to the floor and then we'll start opening it. Okay, so let's open it up. So, okay. You're unboxing the future. Ready, set, grow. Okay, let's continue. Okay, seems to be well packaged. Okay, we have some manual in here. We'll put that on the table for now. Can have a look at it later. And I think that's the light fixture. We got some power supply. Yeah, okay. And I think we have, these are the, where you have the herbs or the plants. We have 3 of those. As far as I could see, you can fit 6 different plants in this one. And we have something inside there. What's that? That's some seeds. Okay. Interesting. Okay, so let's continue. Okay, exciting. Maybe taking the, oh, was easy. Okay, perfect. Okay, let's put it on the, so let's get this plastic off. Seems to be something inside. Interesting. Okay, so we have a small logo there, Ecobloom. You can focus a bit there. Yeah, okay, we got focus. Got some handles there, probably to lift it off. If we turn it around a little bit, see the back side. Oh, careful. So here's the lamp fixture. And goes down. Okay, let's turn it a little bit more. Okay, it's the other side. Okay. There's something here. What is that? Something inside there. Oh, it looks like maybe it's the filter, or it could be the filter. Ah, maybe it's just where the water comes up. Well, we'll see that when we look at the manual, I guess. So, okay, so the top comes off. Okay, can put it over there. And what do we have inside here? Oh, can we... I think the lamp can be raised, right? Yeah, so it can come up, and so here I think this is actually the feeder. So this is like the one which feeds the fish. So fill this one up with food, and then it will automatically feed the fish. Yeah. And I think here we have the pump thingy. And I try to... Yeah, so it looks like the pump. Okay, perfect. So what do we have inside then? So we have some bags in here. It's in Swedish and it says Leka marbles. It's like a clay marble thingy. And a growth medium for your herbs. Pour into each container and spread the seeds. Enjoy, Team Ecobloom. Okay, nice. So is it the same in all of them? Yeah, seems to be the same. Okay. So I think that was everything. So now what's missing is the fishes, I suppose. Okay, let's have a quick look at the manual, see what we have in there. So clear instructions how to placement. Okay, we have a planned placement for it to see if it fits. Okay, we have some more information. Keep going. Here is a little bit how it works, what fishes are suitable. Okay, that's good. And then the app. Okay. And how the feeding works, the filtration system. Well, this is very good. You can get some learning from it too. That's very good. Safety guidelines, fish feeder. Okay. Okay, well, thank you everybody for having a look at this one, and we will come back with a review when we get the fishes. And yeah, thank you for watching.